Hello, my name is Adrienne Atkinset, and I am an indoor hydroponic gardener. I grow 80% of the produce that I eat here in my two-bedroom apartment without the assistance of a balcony. And today I am going to um, show you how I harvest tomatoes and cucumbers and put them in a nice tomato cucumber salad with salmon. So I'll show you my tomato and cucumber plants and discuss how I keep those perpetually going so that I always have cucumbers and tomatoes available for this salad. So to start with, I have several cucumbers that are already ripe and they've been in the refrigerator for a few days, but they're still nice and firm and crispy. And I'm going to take I'm going to take those cucumbers from the refrigerator and use them in a cucumber salad. And I have a few cherry tomatoes that I have also that were ripe, and I'll mix those two together. So I'm using a Madeleine in order to slice the cucumbers, and it makes it just so easy if you can get one of these devices because the cucumbers come out nicely sliced without me having to slice them with the knife. I used to have a little device that would have the cherry tomatoes, and I'll have to look around for it. I'm sure it's here somewhere. But for today, I'm just going to slice the cherry tomatoes in half. So once I have the cucumbers and the cherry tomatoes, and I'll put the quantities on the screen in the video for you. So once I have those together in a bowl, or this is the bowl that I'm going to store them in the refrigerator. So once I have them in the bowl, I'm going to add a tablespoon of rice vinegar and a teaspoon of the sweetener of my choice. Now, I wanted to try monk fruit, and so I tried it this time, but usually I use Splenda. That's my choice, and it tastes delicious. But you can use sugar, you can use cane sugar, you can use stevia, whatever the sweetener is of your choice. Add a little bit of that to your cucumber salad along with the vinegar. Mix it up really good, shake it really good, and it will taste so delicious. So that cucumber salad is going to go with salmon. Now, normally I would grill the salmon on the stove top, but because I have a green beans that need to be harvested right now, I'm going to put the salmon in the oven. That way it won't need my attention for a period of time, and that'll give me an opportunity to harvest the green beans. As you can see, the green beans are ready, and this is the harvest that I'm getting from the green beans. So I'm ready to plate this meal. Here's the salmon and the cucumber salad, and this is what I'm going to eat right now. It's very light. It's very carb friendly, low carb, which is important to me because I'm a physique athlete and I'm doing a show at the end of this week. So I definitely want to keep my carbohydrates down right for this week. And then I'll bring them back up the day before the show. So this is the perfect meal for me at this time. Here is where I grow most of my cucumbers. These are Isnick cucumbers. They're self-pollinating, and I grow about 4 every 2 weeks. I have a harvest of about 4 good-sized tomatoes. So I just made my tomato cucumber salad. Now it's time to harvest the 4 that are on the plant, and that will allow 4 more to grow over the next 2 weeks. And this is my Gardyn 3.0 farm, and this is where I grow my tomatoes and peppers. Basically my fruiting plants, and I try to dedicate it to bell pepper and tomatoes so that I always have them at different stages of maturity. So I have ripe ones, I have some that are flowering, and I have some that are almost ripe. There you have it, tomatoes and cucumber salad. In summary, in order to keep tomatoes growing perpetually, I have them at all different stages in their growth cycle. Tomatoes usually from seed to harvest, you're looking at 90 days. So you have about 30 days where the plant is developing, 30 days of flowering and fruiting, and then another 30 days of ripening. So I try to start tomatoes every 30 days, basically. So I had 2 tomatoes that have not sprouted yet, but they're in the arrow garden. And from those 2 tomatoes, I'll probably get 2 tomato pods. There's various seeds, quite a few seeds in each one, and so I'll get at least 4 from each. So that'll be 8 tomato plants of maybe 6 of is what I need. So I'll get about 6 tomato plants in probably about 2 weeks. They should be a pretty good size and divided up. And after that, I will wait another 3 or 4 weeks and start some more tomatoes. And in the meantime, I will continue to have tomatoes. Now, with the cucumbers, I get about 4 cucumbers from my Farm XL every 2 weeks. And I would like to get a few more cucumbers. So I have clippings in my garden, in my kitchen garden, but those clippings have not been as productive. So I may purchase some more Isnick cucumber seeds in order to get some more cucumbers going. And I'll find a place for them. I'm going to put into service 2 Harvest XLs, and those have the lights that go up pretty high. So I could do a couple of more cucumber plants there. And then I'm going to start growing sugar snap peas. So that's going to replace the watermelon. So join me in future videos so you can learn and you can experience and you can share with me how you're growing hydroponically. Leave a comment, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.